What is the most difficult thing to clean up?
Cat pee.
Blood, I assume, would be more center.
Blood, I'd usually just remove it.
And it's still fresh, that's easier. It's probably mixed with other things. That stuff's harder than the actual blood itself.
We got the blood, pig's fat, pork chops,
Bobcat pee.
blood pipe. Sucks forever has to clean this stuff.
In our last video, I made several home cleaning products and disinfectants. But rather than just cleaning the house with them, we decided we'd take them on the ultimate test, crime scene cleanup. After talking with the experts who do this job every day, we learned what some of their most challenging scenarios they mess with are: bloody crime scenes, hoarding situations, meth labs, and cat urine. So we set out to build our own scene and incorporate all of these challenges. We called around until we found a local butcher that sold beef blood by the gallon, presumably for people who make blood sausages with. Then for the hoarding scene, I collected a bunch of newspapers from a nearby recycling center. For cat urine, rather than attempting to collect some or train a cat to pee on the carpet, I found out you can buy bobcat urine online for scaring away deer and other animals from your fields. For the meth lab, well, we basically already had nearly all the ingredients and equipment you needed in our studio already. Purely by coincidence, I swear. And then just raided our own trash for everything else. Then we decided to build the scene and stage it.
Easier if there wasn't a body inside.
Pork. Did you only get one poncho?
Get the patina on it. We have urine at one spot, and the blood, I assume, would be more center. Did I put tape over Jason's eyes like I did the pig? We got the blood, we got the pig's fat, we got pork chops, we got dirt, we got coffee, and soda's everywhere now. So got that taken care of. Oh, and the bobcat urine. Can't forget that. Stop smelling it.
It's supposed to work.
Get it on the wall. Get it on here.
I don't know either, man.
Coffee, freshly brewed.
I'm really glad you decided to put some more parts down. And I offered you some.
Ooh, delicious. Not the prince. There.
All right, Joey. It's your big moment. All right, where are we going? You're like Mariano Rivera. It's the 9th inning. Where do you want me to aim? Just wherever you think is best. Ooh. Chunky. That's good.
Oh man, I have to actually clean up this. There you go.
Oh, I knocked down some of the pork. Oh yeah. Drink up, chumps.
Blood and urine?
Yeah. Blood's over there.
Alright, so we got the Bobcat Pea, quality product since 1986. Good stuff.
Oh, I don't know, go crazy, man. It is dark.
Ooh, that's some healthy stuff.
Yeah. Even through the mask, I can smell it.
It's actually not that bad. It's like not as bad as real cat urine.
Yeah, it's very different. I can't smell it. More musky.
Yeah.
I smell too many other things. Good point. Oh, now I can smell it. Took a second.
Time for the blood. Beef blood. With some pig fat, pig chops, cat urine. Now for some cow. Alright, Joey, choose your weapon. Blood time. What's doing?
Oh god. Get the safety on? Nice! Awesome! Say when. Quite a mess.
Sucks forever I have to clean this up.
Blood fight!
I'm out.
Need more blood? Oh my god.
So dark.
I hope you made a lot of cleaning products. You didn't make like 2 tablespoons of acetone?
Yeah.
I don't know if that's gonna be enough, Andy. I got some on the wall. That was different stuff at different angles.
You want the popsicle?
Hope the police don't come. Are we demonetized yet?
Okay. Open your war face.
Sucks forever has to clean this up.
If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and check out other content we have covering a wide variety of topics. Also, if you've enjoyed these series, consider supporting us on Patreon. We are largely a fan-funded channel and depend on the support of our viewers in order to keep our series going. Thanks for watching.